I got places to be. Slow up, you hold me down, I'm readjusting my speed.
Apple has always pushed the boundaries of wireless audio, and with the release of AirPods 4, the game has been elevated once again. But how do they stack up against the AirPods 3? AirPods 3 brought us effortless connectivity, a refined design, and the introduction of personalized spatial audio. Comfortable, lightweight, and delivering up to 30 hours of battery life, they set a high bar.
Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back, and today we're going to review a very hot Apple product, and here it is. I've been using for like a week now, so we're going to see how it integrates with the Apple ecosystem, because I just went around a local market here in my region and I found these AirPods. So without further ado, let's go to the review.
Apple AirPods 3 are more than just wireless earbuds. They are the perfect companion for your day-to-day life. With spatial audio and dynamic head tracking, AirPods 3 immerse you into favorite playlists. Whether you are on a morning run or commuting, the sound stays crisp and clear. With seamless device switching, AirPods 3 automatically connects to your iPhone, Mac or iPad, letting you multitask effortlessly. But with AirPods 4, Apple introduces even more. Active noise cancellation now comes standard. With a more compact design, USB-C charging, and the added benefit of dust and sweat resistance, AirPods 4 not only elevate your music experience, but also fit seamlessly into your everyday life. Alright guys, that was it for today. It's your tech guy CJ. I'm back like I never left. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so that you can get all notifications whenever I put new videos in our channel. See you in the next one.